Kitchens are often the heart of the home, where meals are prepared, memories are made, and family gatherings take place. However, giving your kitchen a stylish upgrade doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. With a little creativity and some smart choices, you can achieve a fresh, modern kitchen without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to enhance your countertops, update the cabinets, or add a touch of elegance with lighting, there are plenty of budget-friendly kitchen upgrades that can make a significant impact. In this blog, we'll explore 12 simple yet effective ways to transform your kitchen without overspending. Paint your cabinets. One of the most impactful kitchen upgrades is giving your cabinets a fresh coat of paint. Rather than replacing them, painting or refinishing cabinets can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Choose neutral colors like white, gray, or navy for a timeless, modern appearance. You can also add a second coat for a sleek finish, which helps increase durability. To save even more, consider using chalk paint or cabinet-specific paints that don't require priming. With a bit of elbow grease, you can achieve a professional look without breaking the bank. 2. Update hardware. Swapping out old cabinet handles and knobs is a quick and easy way to upgrade your kitchen. New hardware can completely change the style of your space. Choose handles and knobs that complement your existing decor, whether you're going for a sleek modern look or a more rustic vibe. Opt for affordable materials like brushed nickel, matte black, or gold, which are trending in kitchen designs. This small change can make a huge difference in the overall aesthetic and feel of the kitchen, all while keeping your budget intact. 3. Install peel and stick backsplash. Peel and stick backsplash tiles are an affordable and simple way to add style and texture to your kitchen. These DIY-friendly tiles come in a variety of patterns and colors, allowing you to create a custom look that fits your kitchen's personality. They're easy to install with no grout or mess, making them a hassle-free option. Whether you want a classic subway tile look or something more modern like marble or mosaic, peel and stick backsplashes give you the ability to transform your kitchen without costly renovations. 4. Refresh your countertops. If your countertops are looking worn or outdated, there are several budget-friendly options to give them a new life. For example, you can use countertop refinishing kits, which are a fraction of the cost of installing new surfaces. These kits allow you to create a glossy, updated look without the hefty price tag. You could also consider options like butcher block, which is affordable and stylish, or laminate countertops that mimic the look of natural stone. A refreshed countertop will make a significant impact on the overall look of your kitchen. 5. Add open shelving. If you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your kitchen's storage and display space, consider adding open shelving. Open shelves give your kitchen a modern, airy feel, while also providing easy access to frequently used items like mugs, plates, and cookbooks. You can install floating shelves with minimal tools and materials, making it an inexpensive DIY project. Add some decorative touches like plants or glass jars to personalize the shelves, and you'll have a stylish and functional kitchen upgrade without a high cost. 6. Upgrade lighting fixtures. Upgrading your kitchen lighting doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. Switch out old, outdated fixtures for more modern options that complement your kitchen's style. Pendant lights over an island or a sleek chandelier can elevate the entire space. Under cabinet lighting is another affordable way to add both ambiance and functionality to your kitchen. LED strip lights are energy efficient and easy to install, and they can make your countertops look brighter and more inviting. With just a few new light fixtures, you can transform the atmosphere of your kitchen. 7. Revamp your sink. A new kitchen sink can make a big difference in the functionality and appearance of your space. While replacing a sink may seem expensive, there are plenty of budget-friendly options to consider. Stainless steel sinks are durable and affordable, while deep, single-basin models offer more space for washing large pots and pans. You can also enhance your current sink by replacing the faucet with a more modern, stylish model. With some simple upgrades, your sink can become a focal point of your kitchen without exceeding your budget. 8. Add a kitchen island. If your kitchen layout allows, consider adding a small, portable kitchen island. A kitchen island not only enhances your cooking and prep space, but it can also provide extra storage. There are budget-friendly, pre-built islands available that don't require a professional installer. You could even repurpose an old table or cart to create an island on a budget. Personalize it by adding a coat of paint or changing the hardware. With a kitchen island, you'll gain more functionality and storage while giving your space a fresh look. 9. Install new flooring. Changing your kitchen floor doesn't always have to be a big investment. Vinyl or laminate flooring offers the look of more expensive materials like wood or tile, but at a fraction of the cost. These options are durable, water-resistant, and easy to install yourself, which helps keep the costs down. Additionally, peel and stick vinyl tiles can be a quick and affordable solution for giving your kitchen a refreshed floor. Choose colors and patterns that complement your cabinets and countertops, and you'll see an instant upgrade without breaking your budget. 10. Organize with storage solutions. Maximizing your kitchen storage can be an affordable way to improve its functionality. Installing simple storage solutions like drawer organizers, pull-out pantry racks, and over-the-door organizers can help declutter your space without a major renovation. You can even add baskets and trays to store smaller items and keep your countertops tidy. These small upgrades can make your kitchen feel more spacious and efficient while allowing you to make the most of your existing space. Organizing your kitchen can be a simple yet effective way to refresh the room on a budget. 11. Add a fresh coat of paint. If your kitchen feels dull or outdated, a fresh coat of paint can do wonders. You don't need to repaint the entire space. Even painting one accent wall or refreshing the trim can make a significant difference. Choose light, airy colors to brighten up the space, or go bold with a vibrant hue to add personality. For a budget-friendly option, focus on high-traffic areas like the walls and trim that need the most attention. A fresh paint job will not only enhance your kitchen's appearance but also make the space feel brand new. 12. Incorporate greenery. Adding greenery to your kitchen is an inexpensive way to liven up the space. Indoor plants, like herbs in small pots or hanging planters, bring life and color to your kitchen while improving air quality. Plants like basil, mint, or rosemary can even double as functional ingredients for cooking. You can buy low-maintenance plants that don't require much attention, or go for faux plants if you're short on time. Whether you place them on windowsills, shelves, or countertops, greenery creates a fresh, welcoming atmosphere in your kitchen without costing much. Conclusion: upgrading your kitchen on a budget is not only possible but can also be incredibly rewarding. With a few thoughtful changes, such as refreshing your cabinets, adding open shelving, or upgrading your lighting, you can create a space that feels brand new. By focusing on affordable solutions like peel and stick backsplashes, DIY countertops, and simple organizational tweaks, you can bring both style and functionality into your kitchen. The best part? You don't need to drain your savings to make your kitchen a more beautiful and efficient space. Start small, get creative, and enjoy the transformation. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.